Welcome back to our channel, ChandraAwesome. This is the third tutorial. We have completed the extrude tool and rotate tool in theoritically. Now we are going to continue with the other tools. That is what we have in the row is sweep tool. Sweep tool, you know how to work with the sweep tool. It is going to follow the path and make a solid body, just like you will see. Select a series of profiles of blend with definitely shape. So here we have a profile, but we do not have the path. So now we are going to add a path to it. Okay, so how you can add the path? Just click on the sketch, and here you can see the top plane or bottom one. Here, click on it. Now just select line, or else just select the spline. Just draw some random spline. I think wait. Just click on top view. Click on random spline. Because why I'm selecting random spline, guys? Because of the profile is too big, so that's why I'm going to draw like this. Okay. Now we come to the path. Now what we need to do is just finish the sketch. Now we have the path. Now what we can do? Just click on create, click on sweep tool, and it's a feature, and it has single path with glide rail, path plus guide surface. Okay, let's work with a single path now. Here we already have a profile. Just select it and just the path and select the path. Here you can see we are getting an error. That is because of this perpendicular. I think we just need to click the another one also. So it is not able to come because of, you can see the sketch profile is not going to bend here. So what we can need to do is just re-edit it and make sure it should be like this. Okay, now click on sweep tool again, select the profile and select the path. The object is not visible. Use toggle between few browser. Okay, it's showing it is not visible. Yep. Okay. Got it. Now see, we achieved the part right now. If you want to select the more profile, just Ctrl plus key and import it. In this way, see, we achieved this sweep tool and derived a shape using sweep tool. If you want child selection, it is for binding the more curves, different curves. Okay, and this is the distance. What is the mean of this distance? Let's increase it. 105. Okay, it's showing that how much path, like let's for example, we're taking how much distance you want to be follow. That is this distance. If you click the one, it's taken as 100%. Based on the 100% percentages you can add. Else, if you want, see, there is a possible of you can adding a taper angle. Let's for example, let's see, add the taper angle to it. Just like you can use the sweep tool as a sometimes the loft feature in Fusion 360. If you want a twist angle, you can twist 2. As for example, let's switch to 10 degrees. And you can see it got twisted. Let's give more than, let's give 30 degrees. And you can see it is twisted. You can observe the faces clearly. Even you can add the follow to, or you can add the guides. Let me see. This is even the first and orientation, perpendicular and parallel. What is the difference between? Uh, just following the buttons. Now, perpendicular means it is just orientation to perpendicular to this face. If it is a parallel one, it is just going to parallel. It will not show any extra features, because in perpendicular means it is going to move an upside also. It is possible. Then there is can have the twist angle, but it should be parallel means it's just only the parallel to the profile, and you can't do any twist operations like this. That is using of its orientation. Okay, and we have, see, we have analysis. You can check the cross lines, you can check the curvature map, you can check the iso curves even. If you want, you can increase the iso curves, or if you want, based on curve comps, you can do it. Even do less for analysis, just increase the scale and units per minimum. You can see, you can check out the analysis everywhere, select the bodies, asking the bodies. Okay, based on high quality, it will show high quality. You can do analysis for the else feature also, so it is you can get the results as early as possible before it before it elapses, before you're going to do the whole sketch model. Okay, that is use of this. And let's come to the feature, and let's come to the part plus guide rail. So it is asking the guide rail. Let's, for example, the guide rail means it is just like we are going to add a guide. If you can zoom it here, see, path plus guide, which means let me, for example, let's keep it like this and click OK. Yes, I'm undoing this operation for now. Okay, guys. Let me add a guide to it. So you can add, just select the sketch again. I'm going to edit the same sketch. Click on edit sketches. Click it. I just need to draw at the top edge. So sorry. So I need to click on the sketch and select the front plane. Sorry, this is also not possible. Let's undo it. Now I'm going to use the offset plane tool. So I'm going to use you can see construct tools, right? Click on it and you can see offset plane. So like this, which we want plane, this plane, and you want to the object or to the distance. So I'm just selecting the object and looking at the reference as point. So and before, okay, now you can see I saw a plane at the point I want. So I'm clicking on the plane, I'll sketch. I'm going to add a guide to it. So how does it guide to be? Just for example, I'm drawing a straight line for this now and finishing the sketch. Now let's do how does it works. Selecting the sweep tool, selecting the page and selecting the path. I just need to show the body. please toggle toggle availability in this one. uh, why it is not showing? Hmm, sorry, it should show the bodies, right? See, now it's showing the bodies. Now it is asking for a guide. Let's path plus guide, and just clicking the guide, add this guide, and you can see it is following the guide straight at the base of the foot. This hexagon, you can see the base is just following the guide. Even though it's performing the twist operations still, but it's still following the guide. And when you select in the guide, it's not showing the twisting angle. You can clearly observe this following the straight path. And it has, if you want to glide the surface, so just for example, if you have the surface here, okay, if you have a surface here, let me show you the components. For example, uh, for the surfacing, we need to switch to surface tab. Then click on surface tab and click on patch or extrude through. Click on the profile. Let's extrude it. It's asking borders are not visible. Okay, hide it, and here we got the surface. That's for example, it should change the decisions. It's not possible before withdrawn and down only. Okay. So here also we can have tan angles. That's for example, I will explain regarding with this. Okay. You got the surface. Come to the solid tool again. On the sweep. Select guide plus path tool. Select the profile and that's the path. To the body. Oh, I need a surface. Why it is showing surface means, guys, this guide is we are using. Before we used the line, that means we use the guide curve as a guide to this one, but here we are using the guide path. Let me introduce the distance for now. There you will understand. Here you can see use the guide surface which is parallel. That is the difference, guys. You can see the different glide is different, guide surface difference. It's just following the guide surface because it is parallel. That's why you can't show the difference. But if you can the different profiles here, then you might understand. This is the basic three uh, tools in Fusion 360 using the sweep tool. Uh, if you are already aware of this, we have just learned in Onshape that is about single path guide, but here we have advanced features of we can able to trapper, we can able to twist. It is very easy to make a tutorial for like instructors. And for definitely guys, tomorrow I'm going to after this video, not tomorrow, after this swift tutorial, I'm going to make a regular model tutorial using the only sweep tool. Okay, then you might understand how we can use this advanced with this extra added features in the sweep tool in Fusion 360. And that's all about today's topic, guys. I hope you might understand how to use the sweep tool in 360 within clear and also about the presentation. And these are nothing but the difference for every tool, guys. So now it would cut uncomplicated. Okay, so I'm just giving you can also explain about the analysis how to work with it. So I'm just going to click on OK, and this is the one to complete the sweep tool. I hope you might like this tutorial. If you really understand this tutorial, guys, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel, and please stay tuned to the channel for and share with your friends also, guys. and thanks for watching.